Ever wondered if there could be another you somewhere out there in the universe? Now, before you dismiss this as mere fantasy, let's dive into the concept of the multiverse. The multiverse theory, a hot topic in theoretical physics, proposes the existence of infinite universes, including the one we inhabit. Each of these universes may have different physical laws, different timelines, and yes, potentially different versions of ourselves. This concept, while mind-boggling, has found its way into popular culture, notably in recent movies and series. Take, for instance, the Disney Plus series Loki. In this series, the Time Variance Authority, or TVA, maintains a singular true timeline. However, by the finale, this authority is taken down, resulting in the creation of multiple branching timelines, essentially a multiverse. This event promises to bring significant implications not just for Loki, but for future Marvel movies as well. So what does this mean? Well, imagine a universe where you are a successful novelist, another where you are a world-renowned chef, or even one where you are a superhero. The multiverse theory allows for all these possibilities and more. Now let's shift gears and think about what this could mean in real life. If the multiverse theory holds, then every decision we make, every event that occurs, might be playing out differently in another universe. Each choice creating a branch, resulting in a unique parallel timeline. But before we get lost in the infinite possibilities, let's remember that this is, for now, still a theory. A fascinating and mind-bending theory, but a theory nonetheless. It ignites our imagination, makes for great cinematic plot lines, and stirs up debates among theoretical physicists. So, if there are infinite universes, there could very well be infinite versions of you and me. Fascinating, isn't it? Scene script. Have you ever heard of killer whales attacking boats? Well, it's happening. No, this isn't the plot of a new sci-fi movie, this is reality. Near the Iberian Peninsula, killer whales, or orcas as they are often called, have been engaging in a peculiar behavior. They've been confronting boats, but why? What could possibly prompt these majestic creatures to confront human vessels? This strange occurrence has been documented hundreds of times since 2020. The orcas approach the boats from behind and attempt to strike the rudder, effectively trying to immobilize the boat. While most of these encounters have resulted in minimal damage, 3 sailboats have tragically sunk. But before we jump to conclusions, let's explore some theories. Experts believe this behavior is likely playful rather than vengeful. Yes, you heard it right. These killer whales might just be playing a game with us. However, it's also a game that's causing concerns. As the news of these encounters spreads, fear of these magnificent creatures is growing, and with fear comes the potential for retaliation. Boat collisions with whales are already a significant issue, with thousands of whales sadly losing their lives each year. Could these orca encounters escalate the situation? There's a fear that people, in their panic, might target these innocent creatures. A well-known orca named Luna, who spent years interacting with humans and boats, was tragically killed by a tugboat. We certainly wouldn't want history to repeat itself. The orca uprising, as it's been called, raises questions about our relationship with these creatures and how we share our world with them. It's a wake-up call, reminding us of the need for respect, understanding, and coexistence. It seems like our friendly killer whales are not so friendly anymore. But who knows, maybe they're just trying to play. Scene script. Speaking of multiverses, did you know that we might soon see a crossover of characters from different cinematic universes? That's right, folks! The Marvel Cinematic Universe, known to fans worldwide as the MCU, has been dropping hints left, right, and center about the potential integration of X-Men into its vast character roster. This comes after Disney's acquisition of 20th Century Fox, which previously held the rights to the X-Men franchise. The concept of the multiverse, which involves the existence of countless parallel universes, serves as the perfect conduit for such a crossover. It's like having an endless buffet of realities, each one offering a different version of the same character, or entirely new ones that we've yet to meet. Remember the Disney Plus series Loki? The finale saw the creation of multiple branching timelines, throwing the MCU into chaos and setting the stage for a multiverse of epic proportions. This opens up the possibility of introducing characters like Miles Morales and invites the appearance of past Spider-Man villains. But what's more exciting is the potential for characters from the X-Men franchise to step into the MCU's spotlight. We've already seen Wanda Maximoff, also known as the Scarlet Witch, who has appeared in both the Avengers and X-Men movies. She's set to appear in the next Doctor Strange movie, hinting at further exploration of the multiverse. And then there's Patrick Stewart's Professor X, who's set to appear in Doctor Strange in the Multiverse of Madness, which is expected to feature representatives from various cinematic universes. This could be the golden ticket for the X-Men's grand entrance into the MCU. Now you might be wondering, how does the multiverse theory explain the X-Men's absence in the events of the previous Avengers movies? Well, introducing the X-Men through a parallel universe allows Marvel to address this exact question and preserve their origin stories. So buckle up, Marvel fans. We're in for a wild ride through the multiverse. If the stars align, we might just see Wolverine fighting alongside Iron Man. Imagine seeing Wolverine fighting alongside Iron Man. Now that would be something.
But let's get back to reality. Could the multiverse actually exist? In the realm of theoretical physics, the idea of a multiverse isn't just a concept confined to the pages of comic books or the frames of blockbuster films. It's a legitimate scientific hypothesis, one that's been the subject of countless studies and heated debates. The multiverse theory postulates that our universe, the one we know and inhabit, is not the only one out there. Instead, it's just a tiny part of an immense collection of universes, each with its own laws of physics, dimensions, and even versions of reality. Imagine countless bubbles floating in an infinite cosmic ocean, each bubble representing a universe, including ours. The implications of such a universe, or rather universes, are mind-boggling. If the multiverse theory holds true, it could radically redefine our understanding of space, time, and reality itself. It challenges the notion that our universe is unique and questions the singularity of our existence. The multiverse theory is supported by two major pillars of modern physics: quantum mechanics and the theory of inflation. Quantum mechanics, with its principle of superposition, suggests that particles can exist in multiple states at once, leading to the idea of parallel universes. On the other hand, the theory of inflation proposes that the rapid expansion of the universe after the Big Bang could have given birth to countless other universes. However, it's important to note that the multiverse theory is far from being universally accepted. It's highly speculative and currently lacks empirical evidence. Many scientists argue that since these other universes cannot be observed or accessed, the theory remains in the realm of metaphysics rather than empirical science. But that doesn't mean we should dismiss it outright. Science has a history of turning what was once thought to be fiction into reality. After all, the Earth was once believed to be the center of the universe, and look at how far we've come since then. Whether the multiverse exists or not, it's certainly a fascinating concept to explore.
So from multiverses to orcas attacking boats, it seems the world is full of strange and interesting phenomena. Our journey has taken us from the unfathomable realms of the multiverse paradox, where parallel universes could exist and host different versions of ourselves, to the marine world where orcas, the ocean's most spectacular predators, have been seen exhibiting behavior that's both fascinating and a little unsettling. We've delved deep into Marvel's multiverse, a narrative device that not only allows for thrilling storytelling possibilities, but also mirrors some of the theories proposed by physicists in the real world. The events in the Marvel Cinematic Universe, with its many branching timelines and alternate realities, offer a glimpse into how the multiverse concept can be explored in popular culture. We've also pondered the reality of the multiverse, a concept that, while still theoretical, has gained traction in the scientific community. Could our universe be just one of many? Could there be other versions of us, living out entirely different lives in parallel realities? These questions might be intimidating, but they also push the boundaries of our understanding, nudging us to explore and learn more. Then there's the unexpected behavior of orcas near the Iberian Peninsula, where these magnificent creatures have been seen confronting boats, a phenomenon that's as baffling as it is worrying. While this behavior might be playful for the orcas, it raises concerns about the potential impact on these creatures and their relationship with humans. All these phenomena, from the multiverse to the orcas, remind us that our world, and perhaps our universe, is far stranger and more interesting than we could ever imagine. They challenge our understanding of reality, invite us to question what we know, and inspire us to keep exploring. We live in a strange world, don't we? But that's what makes it so interesting. Until next time, keep exploring, keep questioning, and keep being amazed by the wonders of our universe.